Does he like to take a my nap?
Don't let him crawl away. No. Say no, no.
No, no.
You can't leave.
You can't leave.
You gotta stay right here.
This is where you can't go.
You got a good hold of her. What's she doing?
She's poking me.
Yeah, we need to cut her toenails.
Why?
Because they're getting kind of long.
Uh-huh.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to snip the little toenails.
But the other one's getting bigger.
I know. You want to see the bigger puppies?
Yeah.
The ones that were trying to climb out when you reached in to pet them?
That hurts. Does that hurt?
No, you don't want to hurt her. You have to be very gentle. She likes you. Uh-oh.
Ah!
Okay, I'll put her up and I'll get one of the others, okay?